There are thousands and thousands of scriptures, spiritual books, and still masters are writing. They are all nothing to do with spirituality, including Vedas, Vedantas, Upanishads, etc. On the other hand, they are trying to convey certain things. They failed. Everybody failed, including Gautama the Buddha, including Adi Shankara, including all the authors of Upanishads. They are thoroughly failure in this way. They wanted to convey something, they couldn't able to do that. For example, Upanishads. What is Upanishads? Upanishads is just an experience of someone. Different Upanishads is different experience of that particular person. They are trying to express their expression, their experience. They failed. It doesn't mean that they are all false people. They are real people. How can you say Buddha is a false man? He's a true man. Adi Shankara, so as all beautiful holy beings. But when it comes for expression, they failed. They can't convey exactly. Roundabout explanations. For example, self-realization, God realization. They are trying to express how the God realization was. Unable to express. People ask me repeatedly, please give your description of your enlightenment. I can describe many things except this. I can describe about sambar, dosa, idli. The afternoon we had, Manas took me to a South Indian restaurant. Now you ask me, I can write pages, how the vada was there, what was the taste and everything I can write. I can talk about hours together. But if you ask me, please tell something about your realization, it's impossible. At the maximum, I can say before my realization or after my realization, only I can say. Not exactly the realization. Nobody can say. All these Upanishads, all the scriptures of the world are nothing but they are trying to express their experience that they attained in their lifetime. But none of them successful. Nobody is going to be successful in the future also. That is why just keep on reading the scriptures will not be of much help. It may help in a certain way, that's all. You can't totally depend on a scripture. The only way is you must become the scripture for yourself. You are the scripture. You need to read your own book. You are the book.